managing multiple orders one by one. There's a faster way to run your routes. Trips let you group multiple orders into a single route, assign a driver, track expenses, and maximize your fleet's capacity, all in one place. To get started, expand the main menu, then navigate to Trips. Click New Trip to begin. Enter your trip name. Assign a driver. Then select your start date. And add any optional notes. Search for orders by ID, address, or vehicle, then click Add to include each one in your route. Drag and drop your stops to set the exact route sequence. Once everything looks good, click Create Trip to bring it all together. Click on your newly created trip to view its details. Here, you can review total payment summaries and quickly log any trip expenses along the way. Be sure to assign a fleet unit to your trip, then click Save Changes. Once a fleet unit is assigned, you can turn empty spots into extra revenue right from the trip details. Simply click the Options button and select Post-Open Capacity. Now your entire route is organized under a single trip, complete with driver assignments, expense management, and instant spot posting to keep your trailers full. Work smarter, boost your profitability, and keep your fleet moving. Your trip is ready to roll.